Hello, guys. Once again, welcome to Trade Ikeberry. That is where we have a game plan in Forex trading that we seek to analyze charts in our own game plan or what you call strategy. All right. So let me say a very big thank you to all of you. I mean, those who viewed over the week to have more insight and knowledge about how forex trading is all about having a very good strategy, consistency, discipline strategy as we follow here at Trade Ikeberry. So here at Trade Ikeberry, we follow 5 steps. We follow discipline, we follow consistency, we follow patience, we follow more learning, and then the last one we follow God. Because as every individual, you have to have someone to lay back onto. So really appreciate you guys all for doing the view over the week and then giving us more view and comments. We will appreciate you guys to join and then have more comments. We want to receive more comments from you guys to know our strength. If you guys want the content in this way or in other way. All right. So without wasting much time, all right. My name is Ike, or you can call me Ikeberry. My name is Ike, popularly known as Ikeberry. That is my name. And today I'm here to feed you guys with the trade forex trading game plan. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the US dollar index as we always do. Today we are taking a look at 4 markets as we always do every week. And last week was the season 1. We had 3 episodes. And let's see what today brings for us. If you are going to get more than 3 episodes or you are going to get more than 4 episodes, let's see. It is time that will tell. So let's dive right into the US dollar index. All right, so over last year we had this higher low here, and then we had this higher high here. Pricing came down to break. We had this lower low, and then we had this lower high. Pricing came down. We had this lower low. We had this lower high, and then pricing came down. We had this lower low, and then price went up, and then we had this daily high, lower high. All right, so the reason why I'm not putting much concentration on the previous higher lows and the higher highs and the lower lows and the lower highs is because price has already taken those shifts, and I want to focus on the current daily lower high and a daily lower low. So market has been a little bit slow over the week. Over the week, the market has been a little more, not like little, like much slow over the week. All right, so let's dive right into what we have for today. So diving into the daily, I want to zoom out so that you guys will see very what do we look up here at Trade Ikeberry when it comes to forex trading game plan. I mean, when it comes to our strategy here in forex trading. All right, so what we look up to after we found our higher high or our lower high and our lower low, what then we come to find again are the imbalances within this trading range or this structure. All right, so when you look at the daily, we have this imbalance here. We took this imbalance last week when we did the game plan, and then we realized that price has not taken the imbalance yet, and the imbalance is still there. I mean, it has not come to balance it yet. So we still have the imbalance there, and then over the week, price came down to leave this imbalance here too as well. And then it has covered some, but it has not covered all. So we wait to see what price will do. And then let's see something we have here. We have Friday, we have Thursday, we have Wednesday, we have Tuesday, and then we have Monday. So this shows you that price has been a little bit very slow when it comes to its flow. It has been very slow. Price in the US dollar index is not moving as we expect to. All right, so it is well understood because sometimes price moves slow, sometimes the price moves in our favor. So currently we have US dollar indexed into US dollar index the daily and moving very slow as we see here as a daily lower high and then a daily lower low. All right, so let's dive into the 4H and let's see what the 4H has for us. So let's reset the chart. All right, so initially on the 4H, we had this higher high, this lower low price, and book up, and then price came this as the higher high, which has some equal, it has some equal highs over there, and then price came down. And eventually the price built some few liquidity as took up and then came down. So which means this is a 4H higher high, and then this is a 4H lower low. All right, so it means we had the 4H lower high and a 4H lower low is the same as the 1H lower high and the 1H lower low. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the 1H so that we can analyze the chart from the 1H very well. All right, so as I said earlier on, this is a 4H and a 1H lower high, and then this is a 4H and a 1H lower low, including the daily lower low. And when you come down here, you realize that there are some few equal lows right here. I think it's in the weekly time frame. If we should check, I believe it's the weekly time frame, because breaking the chart, I realized that it was in the weekly time frame. Yes, yes, good. All right, so we have this equal lows down here that we expect price to move up, and then later we trace a little and then come pick. So let's go back, dive into the 1H as we were, and let's give a dissection of the 1H, or give us a plan on the 1H. All right, so this is what we have for the 1H: higher high and lower, higher, that is lower high for the 1H here, then lower low for the 1H here. I beg your pardon for the errors. And so price then came straight down and then broke this previous low. And then what did we see? Price went up again. You see, over last week, I told you guys that I'm expecting price to at least come build liquidity here, retraced, move up, pick the liquidity, and then move down. Right? But what did we see? What did we see price do? Price came up, and then what did we see price do? Price did what we call a range or corrective something, or corrective in pricing. You understand? This is not that corrective though, but then to me it looks very corrective. What did price do? Price came back and then it came into this. Is that an imbalance there? Yes, yes. Let me say it's took all this imbalance here, but then to me, I see here price to be as range and then building of some liquidities here, then building some liquidities down here. So what did you see price do? Price then came up, picked up this liquidity here, and then what are you seeing price in now? We are seeing price come down, I mean, down bearish again. So what do we expect price to do? Because we have some few liquidities here, price can then trade, or price can then move right into any of these imbalances here and then move up. So I expect, let me, hold on, hold on. Okay, so I expect price to either move into this imbalance here and then come up in any of, I mean, come into this imbalance here and then rise up to take the daily. You see, there are some daily, how do you say it, imbalance over here too as well before it runs down. Probably that is what we might see from price, or we might see that price might come straightly down to pick or to take out this lower low and then retraced to take out this lower low. Oh, I'm sorry. And then retraced back for some few corrections to build liquidity and then take a liquidity and then push up down. So that is what we are expecting to see from price, from the US dollar index. Currently, I'm focusing on the 1H because the 1H and currently I'm focusing on the 1H because the 1H and the 4H are the same. The 1H and the 4H are the same in terms of structure. You know, we have the same lower low and the lower high. So I'm focusing on the 1H, and then honestly, the 1H has built some liquidities here, which has picked up, and then it shows that price is coming and deep down bearish, or probably short time, or short time bearish, and then move up to pick how do you say, the daily imbalance that we have over here, and then run back down as bearish. So that is what we expect from price. All right, guys, that is the episode 1 for season 2 on the forex trading game plan here at Trade Ikeberry. All right, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime that we release a video, you it will hit you up as early as possible so that you can watch and we all educate ourselves together. Besides, don't forget to leave a comment right down there for us to know what you also think about the market. But personally, what I think from for what I think from the US dollar index at the moment is I'm just focusing on the 1H, as I said earlier on, waiting for what 1H will do right here. If either it will come deep down to pick up this lower low, and then there is a liquidity down here. That is a big liquidity down here. So to pick up this liquidity and then move up, or price can come into, move up. When I talk about move up, what I mean move up is, pick the liquidity, have this corrective, something that I've done here, and then move down back bearish to have the corrective done, and then pick some few liquidity and move down bearish. Or we expect price to come back into any of these imbalances here and then move up. Any of these imbalances here, let me do have this thing down well. Any of these imbalances here, it can be any of these imbalances here, and then move up to pick this imbalance, that is the daily imbalance here, and then move down back to bearish. So that is what we are expecting to see from the US dollar index. All right, so if, as I said earlier on, if this video has been very educative to you in terms of forex trading, in terms of trading, in terms of giving you a plan, in terms of giving you strategies about trading, oh wow, don't move any other place. Just subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button, and then click on the notification bell so that you receive each and every day as we review or as we post content. You receive them and watch for educative papers to improve in your trading life. Remember, as any time that we get opportunity, we release a video for you to watch. And remember to follow us on all our social media platforms on Trade Ikeberry. Don't forget, it's all social media platforms Trade Ikeberry. Lastly, before I go, we have a Telegram channel that I put the link below in the description so that you follow. We give out free daily trades. If the market brings it to us, we give it out because we are patient traders and then we wait for the market to decide to our plan and then we trade. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate you guys. See you in episode 2.